Okay, we are going to try a bundt cake. Yum, yum, give me some. This is the lemon flavor one. Not the bundt. Get into it. Smell it, smell it, smell it. That's what I have on the side to wash it down with. Starbucks. I got a latte with decaf, of course. 6 dark caramels, add whip and caramel drizzle. I told him to give me something that's similar to the caramel crunch frappuccino, but it's too cold, so I didn't want that. So that is good. So I don't think I have a spoon. So we're gonna have to that's the bottom. So we're gonna have to just you know, I don't think they put the spoon in the bag either, so we're gonna have to just grab it like this. So it is what it is. But let's see. Now the girl next door, she works at Bath and Body Works. She told me that the lemon was pretty good, so. Oh, I love it. I love the cheese. What is that? Cream cheese? What is that? Mmm. The cake is super moist. Mmm. I love the icing. Ooh. Is that icing on all the cakes or just this one? Mmm. Mmm. It's probably just this one because this is like a lemony icing. It is pretty good. I know y'all like, ooh, eating with her hands. Yep. How did you do back in the day, right? It is really good. I'll give this a, what would I give it? Really good. It's very cold though. I like mine's room temperature. So I would give it a 9 out of 10. But if it was room temperature, I'm sure it'd be 10 out of 10. Really good cake. And this icing is to die for. Okay, y'all have a good day. Look how much I ate. It's almost gone. What am I saving it for, y'all? What am I saving it for? I don't know. Well, with my $6, and now they had a coupon. Buy one, get one free. Or $5 off of one. Now, I bought 3. What I should have did was split up my transaction. Said, oh, I want to buy 2. I had that buy one, get one free. So I'm like, oh, you know what? Let me get another one. Use my $5 off. That's what I should have did, but I just got buy one, get one free. I think I paid like $12 for 3 of them. But definitely good. I definitely recommend the lemon one. And I recommend the caramel latte. Decaf. Woo! They taste good together. All right. Y'all have a good rest of y'all day. Yay! I'll just get into the aftermath. Go ahead, Bundt case. Y'all did that.